Butterfly valve. The butterfly valve is a kind of valve to open, close, and adjust the flow channel by means of the reciprocating rotations of about 90 degrees of its disc on-off. Our 3D eccentric multi-level seal butterfly valve has the following characteristics. The butterfly plate gasket ring uses the soft hard laminating metal sheets with double advantages of both metal hard seal and flexible seal, thus having excellent sealing performance in both low and high temperature cases. With a 3D eccentric structure, there is no friction between its seat and butterfly plate, so it's provided with such sealing function as being tighter when being more closed. Its body sealing surface adopts overlay welding hard alloy, which is resistant to abrasion and has a long service line. It's characterized by its compact structure, flexible and labor-saving operation, and reliable sealing performance. Butterfly valve product specification range from DN50 to 2000 mm, from PN 0.6 to 4.0 MPa, from NPS 2 to 56. The valve body material is mainly WCB or customized. So far, this series has been safely applied in an ethylene chemical project of a 10 million tons refinery in Lanzhou, an ethylene chemical project of a refinery in Sudan Khartoum refinery, an ethylene project of CNPC, Tianjin, and so on. Flat gate valve without diversion hole. The flat gate valve is a new generation developed by our company by means of introducing and digesting the advanced technologies of foreign valves of the same kind. The product has the following characteristics. Two floating valve seats are joined with the gate all the time, and the two-way seal design provides reliable sealing performance when the medium flows through the valve in any direction. The valve has good sealing performance, guaranteed by the primary metal-to-metal seal and the secondary metal-to-non-metal seal. The PTFE inlaid on the seat sealing surface is provided with the function of cleaning and lubricating the gate sealing surface automatically. The reliable elastic element mounted behind the valve seat forms pre-sealing specific pressure between its seat and gate to ensure its sealing performance under low pressure. The valve is provided with stem protector and visual gate opening indication. Its gate and stem sealing ports both are provided with on-site emergency seal structure when the seat sealing surface is damaged. The damaged sealing surface can be repaired by means of injecting the sealant for the purpose of sealing. The enclosed structure contributes to good production performance, thus meeting all weather requirements. Our company can design and manufacture as per GB, ANSI, DIN, JIS, and so on, with an application range from DN 25 to 1000 mm, from PN 1.6 to 15.0 MPa, from MPS 1 to 40. From class 150 lb to 900 lb. The valve body's material can be WCB or customized. Up to now, this series of products has been safely applied in Xinjiang Tarim River No. 1 well oil gas gathering and transportation project and Sinopec Pearl River Delta product pipeline project and Sinopec Pearl River Delta product pipeline project. Swaying track valve. This valve is applicable as an on-off to make or break the medium for various pipeline systems of non-corrosive media like water, oil products and steam. It has the following characteristics. Its disc makes rotary movements along the shaft's central line acted by the fluid pressure. The fluid flows from the inlet side to the outlet side. when the inlet pressure is lower than the outlet pressure. Its disc can close automatically due to factors like fluid pressure difference and dead weight to prevent the fluid from flowing back. It adopts a built-in structure. Its shaft and rocker are both inside its inner chamber, thus having no impact on its flow and reducing its leakage points. The large board type is provided with a lifting ring for lifting, thus easier for installation. Its body surface is provided with a medium flow direction arrow to ensure its correct installation state. Our company can design and manufacture as per GB, ANSI, DIN, JIS, and so on, with a product range from DN15 to 600 mm, from PN 1.6 to 16 MPa, from MPS first 2 to 36, from class 150 lb to 2500 lb. The valve body's material can be WCB or customized. Up to now, this series of products has been safely applied in Xinjiang Tarim River No. 1 well oil gas gathering and transportation project and Sinopec Qingdao Great Oil Refining project. Globo valve. This valve is applicable as an on-off to make or break the medium for various pipeline systems of non-corrosive media like water, oil products and steam. It has the following characteristics. It relies on the vertical movements made by its on-off disc, allowing its seat axis for the purpose of making or breaking the medium flow. The friction between its disc and body sealing surface is small during the on-off, so the sealing surface is abrasion resistant and invulnerable to damages. Its on-off has a small travel to reduce the on-off time. Its medium's flow direction is restricted, requiring low in and high out generally. Its passage is sinuous with big energy consumption. The movement direction of its on-off is opposite to that of the medium's pressure action, so its on-off torque is big with difficult on-off as a result of overcoming the medium's acting force. And a large board type adopts a balanced structure to reduce the on-off torque. Our company can design and manufacture as per GB, ANSI, DIN, JIS, and so on, with a product range from DN15 to 400 mm, from PN 1.6 to 160 MPa, from MPS first 2 to 16, from class 150 lb to 900 lb. The valve body's material can be WCB or customized. Up to now, this series of products has been safely applied in Sinopec Fujian Oil Refining Ethylene Chemical Project and Sinopec Qingdao Great Oil Refining Project. Flat gate valve with diversion hole. The flat gate valve is a new generation developed by our company by means of introducing and digesting advanced technologies of foreign valves of the same kind. This product has the following characteristics. Two floating valve seat sets are joined with the gate all the time, and the two-way seal design provides reliable sealing performance when the medium flows through the valve in any direction. The valve has good sealing performance, guaranteed by the primary metal seal and the secondary metal seal. The full bar design applies diversion hole minimizes the medium's flow resistance in the pipeline, which can be purged with the pipe peak directly. The PTFE inlaid on the seat sealing surface is provided with the function of cleaning and lubricating the gate sealing surface automatically. The reliable elastic element mounted behind the valve seat forms the pre-sealing specific pressure between its seat and gate to ensure its sealing performance under low pressure. The valve is provided with stem protector and visual gate opening indication. Its gate and stem sealing parts both are provided with on-site emergency seal structure when the seat sealing surface is damaged. The damaged sealing surface can be repaired by means of injecting the sealant for the purpose of sealing. The enclosed structure contributes to good protection performance, thus meeting all weather requirements. Our company can design and manufacture as per GB, ANSI, DIN, JIS, and so on, with an application range from DN 25 to 1000 mm, from PN 1.6 to 15.0 MPa, from MPS 1 to 40, from class 150 lb to 900 lb. The valve body's material can be WCB or customized. Up to now, this series of products has been safely applied in natural gas projects of such cities as Beijing and Hangzhou, west to east gas transmission, Lunnan natural gas project, and so on. Forged steel fixed ball valve. The forged steel fixed ball valve is a 4-ball pipeline valve designed and manufactured as per ANI 6D strictly by our company. It has the following characteristics. It's easy for operations of opening or closing the valve. The body is supported by the fixed axis, thus removing excessive torque caused by huge seal load, which is produced by the inlet pressure pushing the ball seal receptacle. The ball's surface finish meets the mirror surface requirement and also inlaid with PTFE metal bushing good in self-lubrication, so its torque will not be excessive even under the maximum working pressure. Safe and reliable. The spring is mounted behind the valve seat to exert the pre-tightening force, and the piston principle is used for seal. The valve seats on left and right sides work with the ball to make or break the medium. The middle chamber of its body is provided with a relief valve for exhaust, and the bottom is provided with a blow-down plug for blow-down. When the abnormal pressure rise happens to the medium stagnant in the middle chamber of valve body due to the temperature rise, seats and inlet and outlet ends will be disengaged from the ball for automatic pressure relief. Reliable stem and body seal. The fluorine rubber O-ring and the graphite gasket are used as sealing materials for its stem and body to ensure its safe and reliable seal in all kinds of working conditions. Its stem and seat are mounted with auxiliary sealing devices for auxiliary seal in emergencies. Its fireproof design conforms to requirements by AIP 607. Our company can design and manufacture as per GB, ANSI, DIN, JIS, and so on, with an application range from DN 50 to 900 mm, from PN 1.6 to 42.0 MPa, from MPS 2 to 36, from class 150 lb to 2500 lb. The valve body's material can be A105, LF2, and so on, or customized. Up to now, this series of products has been safely applied in west to east gas transmission Lunnan natural gas project, natural gas projects of such cities as Beijing and Jiangyin, and so on. Wedge gate valve. The wedge gate valve is applicable as an on-off to make or break the medium for various pipeline systems of non-corrosive media like water, oil products, and steam. It has the following characteristics. It relies on the vertical movements made by its on-off gate along the passage axis for the purpose of making or breaking the medium flow. It adopts a straight-through passage, so the medium's flow direction doesn't change and the fluid's resistance can be small. The movement direction of its on-off is vertical to the medium's flow direction, so the on-off is labor-saving. The medium can pass in any direction on both sides of the valve to make or break, so the medium's flow direction is not restricted, easy for installation. In opening, The on-off rises above the seat passage, so the sealing surface is invulnerable to the medium's erosion. Its on-off travel is big, so the sealing surface is vulnerable to scratching due to the relative slip under the action of medium force, thus damaging the sealing performance and affecting the surface life. Our company can design and manufacture as per GB, ANSI, DIN, and so on, with a product range from DN15 to 1200 mm, from PN 1.6 to 42.0 MPa, from MPS first 2 to 48, from class 150 lb to 2500 lb. The valve body's material can be WCB or customized. Up to now, this series of products has been safely applied in CMPC, Lanzhou Petrochemical Oil Refining Ethylene Chemical Project, Oil Storage and Shipping of Sinopec Guangxi Petroleum Company, and Sinopec Qingdao Grade Oil Refining Project. Floating Ball Valve. The floating ball valve is a 4-ball type designed and manufactured as per API 608 strictly by our company. This product has the following characteristics. Its seat adopts the structure design of flexible gasket ring. When the medium pressure is small, the contact area between its gasket ring and ball will also be small, so the seal-specific pressure will be big in that contact area to ensure a reliable seal. When the medium pressure is big, the contact area between its gasket ring and the ball will also be big, so the gasket ring can bear a large medium thrust without being damaged. Its fireproof design conforms to provisions in API 607. Blowout-proof stem. Its stem adopts the bottom mounting structure design so that the stem will not be blown out by the high-pressure medium, even in such cases as valve chambers abnormal pressure rise, an invalid packing gland. Its body, internal components, and seal receptacle can use different kinds of material for different purposes. Our company can design and manufacture as per GB, ANSI, DIN, JIS, and so on, with a product range from DN15 to 250 mm, from PN 1.6 to 10 MPa, from MPS first 2 to 10, from class 150 lb to 600 lb. The valve body's material can be WCB or customized. Up to now, this series of products has been safely applied in CMPC Lanzhou Petrochemical Oil Refining Ethylene Chemical Project, CMPC Jilin Chemical Oil Refining Ethylene Chemical Project, and Sinopec Qingdao Grade Oil Refining Project. Plug valve. The plug valve is designed and developed successfully by our company as per API 6D, which is applicable as an on-off to make or break the medium in transportation pipeline systems of such media as petroleum and natural gas. It has the following characteristics. It adopts the plug with the passage as the on-off to disengage and engage the sealing surface through the plug's 90 degrees rotations for the purpose of opening or closing. The plug rotates in the PTFE cutting sleeve embedded in the valve body, and the PTFE cutting sleeve avoids the plug's viscosity and extends the valve's service life. It has good sealing performance. Whole seal is retrieved through the sealing surface around the cutting sleeve. Its unique 360 degrees metal lid protects and fixes the cutting sleeve. Its packing seal is easy and reliable for both operation and maintenance. Our company can design and manufacture as per GB, ANSI, DIN, and so on, with a product range from DN15 to 350 mm, from PN 1.6 to 15.0 MPa, from MPS first 2 to 14, from class 150 lb to 900 lb. The valve body's material can be WCB or different as required by actual working conditions and customers.
So far, this series has been safely applied in such projects as Baiyin Yingguang 805 Armory and the Fast Pipeline FTDI unit.